at the Daniel K. in Inouye. How do you...
Daniel K.
Inouye. Oh my gosh, I literally live here and I can't even pronounce it. 6:41 a.m. getting breakfast at the airport, and then I forgot how pricey it is to eat airplane or airport food. We're just waiting for our trip to Vegas. It doesn't start boarding until like 7:15, so.
You can see the bacon.
Oh, is it good though, the sandwich?
Yeah.
Is it for $8?
Yeah, remember you buy some in the store $3.
Just landed. It's like 4:51 in Vegas. Hello. We're currently here at Las Vegas. We're here at the airport. I think the last time I was here was in 3rd grade because we left on Halloween night. From what my parents remember, I'm sure they remember way more than me. And then we celebrated my birthday here as well. But I mean, it's kind of crazy to be here because I remember a few things, but not like a lot of things. I remember Disneyland and like Universal and stuff, but yeah. I forgot to mention, Disney and Universal is not here in Vegas, but we also went to Cali on that trip as well. So. So weird to see billboards because in Hawaii it's illegal to have billboards and stuff, which I think is a good thing because low-key sometimes billboards gets really ugly. Okay, so after how long did we travel? Like 5 hours? And yeah, I mean it's still time, but we finally made it to our hotel room.
Yeah, Grand View.
Yeah, Grand View, and I think this is probably like the largest room I've ever seen or had, because there's, you guys can see, there's 2 rooms. They're both the same layout, but they're still huge for one room as well. So I'll probably just show one side. This seems like a house tour, but this is the first room, and it's like the same layout, just the opposite on the other side. But they have a full kitchen. That's crazy. It feels like we're gonna live here. And if you follow me, we have the bathroom. That's a really nice shower too. But I didn't notice this, but like if you walk here, they have a full bathtub. That's crazy.
That's a big bathtub. Oh my gosh.
Try get in. Oh, it is huge. But then right next to is the bedroom, so I mean anyone can just walk in.
Wow.
If you use the bathtub. Here's
You know my name already?
Service? I don't know.
This is the living room.
The living room, and then if you look from the view out, there's like a pool and everything.
Living room with dining.
And then I think even this couch comes out as like a pull-out bed. But yeah, that's
And
so cool.
we're on the 11th floor, and
11th floor.
that's the swimming pool down there.
Yeah. I think we're gonna like rest a bit before we do anything else. But I mean, yeah. I mean, this is crazy. This is honestly really crazy. We just came from Costco. I got to shop there for the first time, and I tried the chicken bake. It was really, really good. Mwah. It'd be so good. But my dad and I are back at the hotel room. We're just relaxing. I don't know if we're gonna do anything else tonight, but I mean, who knows? Who knows?
But you can use it for your points now for Friday. Because I play tennis every day, you know, and then we already set up games for me. And then I can just throw the tennis in the wash and dry it. So I can make a few out.
Okay, so it's like 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. And if you're wondering, like, Edward, what did you do? Like, why didn't you record after you ate breakfast? Wrong. Okay, so we also had to watch like a whole presentation and everything since this is a timeshare. And I didn't think it would take like almost 4 hours. I was like, ready to explore, blah, 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 blah. Because I'm already ready and everything. But no. Whatevs, because later tonight we are gonna go to the strip and take photos and everything. So I'm not too sure if I want to keep wearing this because I feel like I can take photos in this outfit anytime. So I might do something a little bit different tonight. But I mean, yeah. Oh,
$500 right there, that one chip in the casino.
Wow.
that's cool. Like a souvenir type of thing?
No,
or
it's cash. I'm gonna
it's
cash it out afterwards because I told him colors. I had green chips. They're all 25. I told him change it for colors. So that's $500. This is $100. That's $600. And right in your hand.
Wow.
Here's that chip. See, right there.
It's currently 6:29. We're going to the strip now for the evening. I'm wearing my doggy style shirt. Get it? It's a dog styling this shirt. And yeah, I hope to get really good photos. I hope my mom can take good photos. Or else. That roller coaster. No, thank you.
Yours?
You're telling me YOLO, but I don't know.
No.
Currently here at Caesar's Palace. I'm starting to remember this place a little bit more and stuff. One reason because of all the statues in here. But I really do hope we get to look a bit more inside. I'm ready to go shopping, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. We're here at the strip. To be honest, I really have no idea what to say because there's so much happening here. I feel like I'm about to get overstimulated, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not too sure where we're going. Where are we going? The where? Are we eating? I have no idea what's happening, but I'm just gonna go along with it. But yep, just follow me a bit. Hell's Kitchen. Thank you, cameraman. just finished the water show at Bellagio, and it was the funniest thing ever because I don't think people knew when it ended, so none of us clapped. I was just like, so what? But I mean, it was still really nice. It was still nice and all. It was still nice. What do you think of it, Mom?
I think this one is short one. There's one longer one before.
Ah, really?
Because everybody's still standing. They thought there's gonna be like a surprise, like a big.
Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, because it was only like 2 minutes long. Yeah.
Before is longer.
Ah. But now we're just gonna go ahead and try find. I don't know where. Are we eating now?
Yeah.
We're eating now. Oh, wow.
So they have to turn left. Where would I turn?
Turn left, then turn right.
Where would I turn left? Here.
My first time here at In-N-Out, or well, my first time. I don't know if they ever had. But I mean, this looks so good. I got the double with the animal fries. I always see on TikTok people eating banana shake. I know it's pretty cheap too, or cheaper than Hawaii. So let's see. Let's see.